Hi, I'm Kamil Skaski, and today I'm sharing the 12 side hustles you can start right now with no money. Stick around till the end because I've included a few unexpected hustles that people rarely talk about, but that can make you good money if you stick to it. Why are we even talking about side hustles? Well, simply put, money follows value. When you offer something like a service, it's not just about making money, but about creating value for others. Side hustles can range from services to products or even content creation. The key is to find something you enjoy, you're good at, and that people need. Whether it's graphic design, online tutoring, or anything in between, the internet gives you the chance to reach a global market. And the best part, you don't need to start big. You can begin in your free time, give it a try, and see if it's a good fit for you, and then grow at your own pace. Over time, with consistency and improvements, your side hustle can become a significant source of income or even your full-time gig. Now, let's start with something I'm personally familiar with: freelancing. And if you're thinking, I don't know how to design a logo or I don't know how to edit videos, don't worry, because it's not what I'm talking about in this video. Well, that as well, but there is more to it. You might be surprised how many services you can offer as a freelancer that don't require years of experience. I started freelancing back in 2019. With those small gigs, I learned how to edit properly, how to write better, how to build websites. I learned about SEO and much more. Those gigs helped me build a solid portfolio, and in no time I was charging $50 to $100 and eventually even more for the same kind of work. That's the magic of freelancing on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You set your own rates, and the more work you do and the more positive reviews you have, the better your profile looks and the more you can charge. If you have basic graphic design skills or knowledge in social media, you can easily offer your services on Fiverr or Upwork. But there is more. You can offer proofreading, data entry, email management, virtual assistant work, or even simple tasks like creating presentations or doing voiceovers. You can even teach how to play video games, sell meal plans, and more. It's crazy, I know. And you don't need to be an expert, just be better than your client and actually know what you're doing. My suggestion is to start with a niche. It's tempting to try and offer every service under the sun, but narrowing down makes you stand out. If you're offering social media management, target small businesses or entrepreneurs. If you're writing, maybe focus on blog posts for things you're passionate and you have knowledge about, for example tech or finance. The more niche focused your service is, the better you can market yourself. Something I was to point out is that you must always over-deliver on your first few gigs. This will help you get those valuable 5-star reviews that will lead to more clients. Reviews are everything on these platforms. You can be amazing at what you do, but without reviews, you'll struggle to get your foot in the door and no one will have a reason to trust you. Next up is one of the best ways to create a passive income stream: teaching online courses on platforms like Skillshare or Udemy. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not a teacher or I'm not an expert, but here's the truth. You don't need to be one. You just need to know more than the average person about a specific topic. Back in the day, I had a friend who was obsessed with photography. He knew enough to create a beginner-level photography course. It wasn't anything fancy, just some basic tutorial on camera settings, lighting, and composition. He threw it up on Skillshare, and over time, he was making about $200 to $400 of passing income from that course. And that's from one single course. Now, what can you teach? Literally anything. You've got a passion for baking? Teach that. Love yoga? Start a beginner's yoga course. Digital marketing? People are always looking to learn about SEO, Google Ads. These platforms are perfect for turning hobbies and skills into an income stream. Don't worry about having a Hollywood-level production setup. You can create your course with your smartphone, a cheap tripod, and some good natural lighting. As long as the content is valuable and well explained, people will sign up. Skillshare has over 12 million users, and Udemy has even more. Okay, now let's switch gear to something that requires a bit of experience: website and app testing. Companies need real users to test their websites and apps to make sure they're user-friendly, and they're willing to pay you for your feedback. There are platforms like User Testing, Try My UI, and Userlytics, where you can sign up, get a quick test, and make anywhere from $10 to $60 per test. These tests usually take about 20 minutes, and you'll be asked to navigate a website or an app, giving your thoughts and answering a few questions. Anyone with basic internet skills and browsing experience can do this. Make sure to sign up for multiple platforms to increase your chances of getting consistent testing opportunities. Be detailed in your feedback. The more valuable your input is, the more tests you'll get invited to. Virtual assistants and VAs are in huge demand right now, especially with the shift towards remote work. Entrepreneurs, small business owners, and busy executives are constantly looking for help to manage their day-to-day operations. As a VA, your task could include managing emails, scheduling appointments, making travel arrangements, bookkeeping, customer service, and even social media management. I have personally hired a few virtual assistants, and let me tell you, they are worth every penny. And the best part is that you don't need a ton of fancy skills or certifications to get started. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and can communicate well, you're already equipped to become a successful VA. What does a virtual assistant do? The role of a virtual assistant can vary a lot, based on the client's needs, which is great because it means you can find tasks that suits you best. The beauty of being a VA is that you can offer a wide variety of services and choose a niche to specialize in, which often allows you to charge higher rates. Now, where to find these jobs? There are a ton of platforms where you can find VA's gigs, such as Fiverr, Upwork, and even LinkedIn. Additionally, Facebook groups for entrepreneurs and small business owners are another great way to find opportunities. A beginner VA might start at around $10 to $25 per hour, but with specialized skills and experience, it's not uncommon for a seasoned VA to earn $50 or more per hour. Some VAs even work on a retainer basis, ensuring a steady monthly income, which can be particularly appealing if you're looking for long-term stability. To stand out from the competition, focus on offering exceptional customer service. Respond quickly to emails, stay organized, and always be proactive in anticipating your clients' needs. Building a strong relationship with your clients often leads to referrals, and that's where a lot of top VAs get their best clients. Got some extra space at home? You could turn it into a cash machine by listing it on Airbnb. Whether it's a spare room, a basement, or even a guest house, there is serious earning potential. One of my friends rented out his spare room. In a few months, he was making over $1,000 monthly, easily covering his mortgage. In fact, in 2023, the average Airbnb host in the US earned around $14,000 per year. Some hosts in the US are pulling in up to $5,000 per month. Globally, the average nightly rate is $130, but in high-demand areas, it can easily go beyond $200 per night. That kind of income can cover major expenses, pay for vacations, or help build your savings. If you're in competitive areas, optimizing your listing with professional photos, compelling descriptions, and unique touches like local recommendations or added amenities can help you stand out. If you don't have a spare room, consider listing experiences on Airbnb. People are willing to pay for things like cooking classes, guided tours, or photography lessons, turning your local knowledge or skills into a lucrative side hustle. Are you good at math? Can you speak another language? Or maybe you have a college degree? If so, online tutoring could be a goldmine for you. Platforms like tutor.com, preply.com, and VIPKid allow you to teach students from all around the world right from your laptop. My tutor taught English to kids in China through VIPKid, and at one point he was making over $30 per hour. And the best part, he did it all from home, working flexible hours that he would choose and that fit perfectly around his schedule. Not a bad deal, right? Now the question is, what can you tutor? You don't need to be a certified teacher to get started. You can tutor subjects like math, science, history, or even niche skills like coding or playing the guitar or test preparation. If you speak a second language, that's a massive opportunity as well. And for subjects like English as a second language or ESL, you don't even need a teaching degree. Many platforms, especially those that focus on conversational practice, only require you to be a native or fluent speaker. There are many great platforms where you can get started as an online tutor. For example, tutor.com offers tutoring in a wide range of subjects. Preply.com focuses on language tutoring, which is perfect for those wanting to teach English or other languages. Tutors on these platforms can earn anywhere from $10 to $60 per hour, depending on the subjects and platform. For example, VIPKid pays its English tutor up to $30 per hour. Over time, as you build up reviews and repeat students, your rates and demand will increase. Make your profile stand out by offering a free 15-minute trial session. It's a great way to hook new students. And once they see how engaging and helpful you are, many will sign up for regular lessons. If you want to take it a step further, you can create your own tutoring business by offering your services outside of these platforms, creating lesson packages, and developing long-term relationships with your student. This allows you to charge higher rates and keep all the earnings without platform fees. Do you have a car that sits in your driveway most of the time? Turn it into a money-making machine by renting it on platforms like Turo or GetAround. Many people rent out their old car and make enough in a few months to cover for insurance and maintenance fees for the year. It's basically passive income because once the listing is up, the app handles most of the heavy lifting. Some hosts on Turo make over $1,000 a month by renting out their car. If you're not driving every day, this is a great way to generate passive income. If you're worried about liability, Turo provides insurance, so you're covered in case anything happens to your car while it's rented. If you spend hours scrolling through Instagram or TikTok, why not get paid for it? Small businesses are always looking for help managing their social media accounts, creating content, and growing their audience. You don't need formal training for this. If you're good at creating posts, engaging with followers, and growing a brand, you can offer your services as a social media manager. I landed my first social media client by sending a cold DM on Instagram. I noticed their content wasn't consistent, so I reached out with a few tips and offered to help. That turned into a long-term client, and I was able to charge $300 a month just to run the Instagram account. I spent about 1 hour a week from my mobile or from my laptop, making images, modifying them, and scheduling the posts. It was a great way to make extra cash with just a bit of time each week. Again, you can find clients through platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, or even by simply reaching out via DMs on Instagram and LinkedIn, just like I did. Many businesses don't realize they need help with social media until someone points it out. Another great place to find clients is in Facebook groups for small business owners or entrepreneurs. Just beware of scams. Leverage your own social media accounts as a portfolio. If your Instagram or TikTok looks professional and well managed, potential clients will trust that you know what you're doing. Many companies and individuals need help converting audio and video recordings into written documents. All you need is a computer, good listening skills, and a reliable internet. Platforms like Rev, TranscribeMe, and Scribie connect you with clients who need transcription services. This could include transcribing podcasts, interviews, meetings, or even court proceedings. The more accurate and efficient you are, the more work you'll be able to take on. Accuracy is key in transcription. Consider using a free transcription software to assist you with difficult audio files, and always proofread your work to ensure it's error-free. Many platforms offer bonus pay for high accuracy and quick turnaround times. Look for specialized transcription jobs like legal or medical transcriptions. If you're willing to undergo a bit of additional training, you can command higher rates in those fields. Let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is one of those side hustles that can start slow but can turn into a huge income stream if you stick with it. Here is how it works. You promote a product on your blog, your YouTube channel, or social media account, and when someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you get a commission. This is a side hustle that scales really well. I know people who started promoting products on their accounts and now make thousands of dollars a month just from affiliate commissions. Imagine getting paid every time someone buys something after clicking your link. Start by promoting products you actually use, whether it's gear for your hobbies, tech you love, or even digital courses you've taken. It's much easier to sell something when you genuinely believe in it. Look for affiliate programs that offer recurrent commissions, like software subscriptions or online courses. That way you get paid over and over again every month. Now, here's a side hustle most people don't know about. Data labeling for AI. With AI booming, companies need tons of data to train their machine learning models. This means labeling images, categorizing videos, or transcribing audio to help these AI models to get smarter. I came across this hustle when a friend of mine started working with platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Appen, and Lionbridge. At first, it seemed like a small task, tagging objects in photos or verifying text, but he quickly realized that the more tasks he completed, the more opportunities he got. Some people are making a consistent side income just by doing this in their spare time. Make sure you register on multiple platforms to get a steady flow of tasks. Some tasks might only take 5 to 10 minutes, but if you do a few each day, it really adds up. As you get more experienced, you'll get access to higher paying tasks. Some people even turn this into a full-time income by focusing on high-demand data labeling projects for AI companies. Now, this is a side hustle that's been around forever, but still works like a charm today. Start by flipping things you already own, like clothes, furniture, or electronics, on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. Focus on categories like furniture, electronics, clothing, and appliances, all of which have great resale value with just a bit of cleaning up or fixing. Check out Craigslist free sections or Facebook Marketplace and look for undervalued items. People often give away perfectly good things that can be flipped for profit. Start small, get some experience, and then move on to higher ticket items like refurbished electronics or vintage furniture. Timing is crucial. Seasonal items sell faster during their peak periods, like bikes in the springs or summer. So there you have it, 12 side hustles you can start right now with no money. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, check out this other video where I dive deeper into ways you can start earning from home today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.